Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe Kids Learning. In this video we learn cooking verbs. Let's start. Cooking verbs. Cut. She is cutting the cucumber. Dice. Cut the cheese into dice. Chop. She will chop the onion. Blend. Blend the bananas for shake. Mash. Mash the potatoes. Peel. Peel the apple. Pinch. Take a pinch of salt. Break. Break that into bowl. Melt. Ice melts if you heat it. Taste. Taste the flavor of soup. Garnish. Garnish the salad. Dip. She dipped fries into ketchup. Roll out. Roll out the flour. Slice. Cut the radish into slices. Mix. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Serve. Serve soup to the customers. Fry. Fry the vegetables. Add. Add some salt into the pot. Roast. Roast the chicken. Grill. To cook under a grill. Steam. To cook with steam. Boil. Boil the eggs. Stir. I stirred the corn in the pan. Barbecue. We barbecue chicken and ribs. Knead. Knead the dough for 3 minutes. Pour. To pour water into sieve. Wait. Spread. Spread the jam on bread. Whip. Whip the cream. Saute. Saute the vegetables for 5 minutes. Grate. Grate the cheese. Layer. Here are 5 layers of burger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids. Have a great day.